Start with a precise tape and barrier setup so paint never seeps onto the carpet. Choose a high-quality painter tape rated for delicate surfaces and press it down along the top edge of the baseboard with a firm putty knife to create a consistent seal. If the carpet pile is high, tuck thin cardboard or a plastic shield between the baseboard and the carpet to protect fibers and hold the tape flat. Lightly sand the baseboard with fine grit sandpaper to remove gloss and wipe with a damp microfiber cloth to remove dust, letting it dry fully so primer and paint adhere evenly. Use a high-adhesion primer on any bare wood or repaired spots and allow full cure time according to the product instructions before top coating. This prevents bleed and ensures uniform sheen. For application, start with a high-quality angled sash brush for the top edge, pulling the brush away from the tape line in steady strokes and keeping only a small bead of paint on the brush to avoid drips. Follow immediately with a small, high-density foam roller for the flat face to match texture and reduce visible brush strokes. Work with consistent, bright lighting from multiple angles so you can spot thin spots and drips early, and keep a damp rag and a small bucket of water or appropriate solvent nearby to catch runs before they set. Remove the tape while the paint is still slightly tacky by pulling back on itself at a low angle for the cleanest line, and do a quick touch-up with a tiny artist brush if any imperfections remain. Common mistakes are pressing the tape down inconsistently, which lets paint bleed under the edge. Using low-quality tape or none at all will cost time and finish quality, and loading the brush with too much paint causing drips that wick into the carpet. If the tape is not sealed, run a plastic putty knife along the edge and reseat the tape before painting, and consider a thin bead of clear caulk where the baseboard meets the wall for a crisper shadow line. Always buy tape labeled for delicate surfaces and test a short strip first so you avoid adhesive residue on painted floors. To prevent drips, load the brush by tapping off excess paint on the rim and keep a paper towel under your hand while working over the carpet. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and makes it easy for homeowners to post projects and read community feedback. We host a discussion community where both homeowners and contractors share tips, trade leads, and ask questions to make projects smoother for everyone.